Happy Monday, guys. Unreal movement in cryptocurrency. Let's just talk a little bit about Ethereum blowing out 3,300. Yeah, this is just ridiculous. And not for nothing, we've got some big movement coming for Doge, especially with the Doge father tweeting that he'll be hosting Saturday Night Live and almost guarantee that he's going to have a skit for Dogecoin and Tesla, SpaceX probably. But yeah, guys, the reason I'm doing a live stream is because I'm going to actually make a live trade for Dogecoin. And I had to do it as early as possible because right now it's teetering around 41 cents and I don't want to let it goes any higher. In fact, I'm going to show you real time, 41 cents. All right. And yeah, we're definitely going to buy 5,000. And at 41.4977. Let's see, 5,000 deposit initiated. Instant deposit available. And there we have it, 12,060 Doge. You guys can check that out. Buy, baby, buy. And previously I had 1830. And there, boom, investing. Done. Absolutely awesome. Guys, if you're here for the live stream, I just did a $5,000 rumors of Amazon possibly using Doge. Is going to kick it up. The possibility of Elon Musk, they said if he invests in Dogecoin, it could easily jump to $2 per token. And the fact that he's going to host on Saturday Night Live, I see it definitely hitting $1. It's at 41 cents. It's worth the investment. I've spoken to a lot of investment strategists, and yeah, let's just put it this way. Actually, let's even put it down. Mark Cuban just tweeted that Dogecoin, all it has to do is establish a utility. In the last couple weeks, it go from as low as 28 cents up to 30, and now it's up to 41. And yes, it did take a dive after it hit its high last week. But with all the news going into Doge midway through the summer, if you guys have not dipped your toes into cryptocurrency, it's very easy to get involved. As you saw, I was using Robinhood in upstate New York. So we're limited to what exchanges that we can actually purchase Doge on. I firmly believe in Coinbase. I actually heavily have invested in crypto through Coinbase. It's a great exchange because it has a lot of tutorials. It offers you free crypto when you join. I believe selling crypto. Also, referrals. You get free crypto with referring. Also, don't forget to get your free stocks from Webull. Also, Robinhood has free stocks available when you join Robinhood, which, like I said, it was the only exchange that I was able to get cryptocurrency. Yeah, you might have a 5 to 7 day lag to join currently because so many people are jumping on board. But don't fret, you have time. I think it'll go through before Saturday. So if you don't have Robinhood, click the link below in the description. That'll take you right to the application so that you can join. You know, create your account, establish your banking information, and go from there. Really, I mean, not for nothing, everything you do when you invest, you're basically gambling, and it's a risk. So just risk what you're willing to lose. I've got quite a few friends that have just jumped in feet first because now they're understanding that this is the new world. The old world was the horse and buggy. This is the car. And it's not only a car, it's, you know, it's the future system growing at the same time that the old system is going. That's like the one system that has not been affected by COVID. It didn't even flinch. You have full control at any decentralized exchange. You have full control of all your Monday and your bank's closed. What are you going to do? You can't do anything. You got to wait. If you're buying a house, you got to get all that stuff in line a good month to 2 months before you consider buying a house. Now, the money moves as fast as possible for you. So I also left this open for a little Q&A. If you're on this chat, please just let me know if the sound's okay. I know the video's a little shifty because I'm on my actual computer. But yeah, so as far as cryptocurrency, guys, this is something that's not new. It's been around and it's starting to grow as far as people buying into the fact that it is real. Mark Cuban made his comments. Dogecoin is finally has utility or usability, and I agree 100%. I mean, here's some statistics. Dogecoin market cap just went up to 53 billion. You know what that means? Dogecoin's worth more than Twitter and more than Ford. These are long-standing, established stocks that have been around. Companies that have been around forever are now getting surpassed by Dogecoin, a potential joke coin. All right, well, it's not a joke anymore because Newegg, if you're a customer on Newegg, you can actually use cryptocurrency to buy stuff. Hey, Bill, how's it going? Welcome. Also, guys, keep in mind if you want to support this channel, feel free to super chat. That's one way that you can help keep this channel independent. If you have any questions in regards to cryptocurrency, I'm happy to take those questions and answer them as we go. Yeah, so Unreal Monday. I said Blue Chip Monday on my previous video because Ethereum is just dominating. And if you got your feet in when I did last year, you weren't late. You're right in the beginning. In fact, you invest in crypto right now, you're still in the 5% of the entire world that is getting involved in cryptocurrency. So you're definitely not the last in line. With Visa now accepting cryptocurrency, MasterCard, PayPal, Venmo, you can now buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Actually, I'm going to put my glasses on to see these comments. Could be better. Rooting for you, brother. All right. Thanks, Bill. You're the best, man. You've been here since I was doing the stimulus and unemployment updates. I'm hopeful that everybody that was following back then got their money. We've got new news coming in for cryptocurrency, so it's really been a push. But hopefully everybody got their stimulus checks, and I see a lot of stuff going on with this universal basic income, you know, potentially $2,000 a month until the end of the crisis with the pandemic. And, you know, I've seen a lot of stuff with the vaccinations being issues. But it is what it is. If you don't trust what you're dealing with now, let's say you're not getting into treasury bonds, let's say you're not getting into gold or silver because it's not moving fast enough, or even the stock market with the potential recession and the build of inflation. I don't know what states you guys are in, but in New York, you really are limited to as far as how many exchanges you have available to you for cryptocurrency. You know, Texas and New York have a lot of people pushing for legislation. You know, crypto.com, Binance, you know, BitSwap, they're not available to New Yorkers. And that's why I had to get Robinhood. So yeah, let's give some more time for people to chime in. They probably didn't get to see the live buy-in of the 5,000 that I just dropped in Dogecoin. Because even at 9 cents, let's say it goes to 50 cents after Elon, considerable growth. In fact, with Ethereum being so high at $3,300, a lot of people don't have $3,300 just lying around to keep buying Ethereum at that high level. So you're looking at altcoins that are, you know, more accessible. Think about when Apple split stock and Tesla split stock to make their stocks more available back in 2020 near the end of the year. It's the same concept. So, you know, a lot of people don't really know a lot about cryptocurrency. So that's why I always suggest Coinbase, because it gives you the explanations of what type of platform the currency is available on. You know, if you're buying, you know, an Ethereum platform, layer 2 solution, altcoin, it'll tell you. The fact that we have the London 4 coming up for EIP 1559, which is in July. So if you don't think it's going to grow, I mean, I'm sorry to tell you that it's definitely going to. One thing I do want to emphasize is I'm not giving financial advice. Okay, I'm not a CPA. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm purely a recreational investor, taking the money that I've earned and invested it. So you can see, you know, firsthand my experience with cryptocurrency. I knew nothing about crypto until 2017. I started piquing my interest with Bitcoin. Then with all the news of Ethereum and the fact that it's literally the most utilized of the cryptocurrencies, you have so many levels. Hey, Haza, how's it going? Awesome for you to join me. Thank you. So just to kind of give you guys an idea of what is available on my portfolio, or what I have quite a few portfolios going, because I did manage to set up a VPN and get on alternative exchanges where I wasn't able to get the cryptocurrencies that Anchor was one of them. That's where I own Polkadot. In fact, I'll show you that one. Top 4 that I'm sticking with is Bitcoin, of course. I made a majority of my movements in Bitcoin, and I've been pretty successful with Bitcoin on those exchanges. But let's take a look at Coinbase. And this is just my Coinbase exchange, but a lot of movement. My current balance on the Coinbase exchange, over $20,000. And that's probably just because of today, with it going up to 3,300 in Ethereum. In fact, let's take a look at Ethereum. 3277 right now. Okay. And yeah, I've got about 18,000 on that exchange for Ethereum. Let's take a look. Uniswap. Lots of news coming out with Uniswap. In fact, it's down a little bit. It's only 41.85, but I mean, everything that's working on the Ethereum platform, I'm hugely bullish on. In fact, let's see here. In fact, to kind of hedge my bets, if you will, I got Cardano, because I think that's going to be a huge mover. And a couple other ones are Cosmos, aka Atom. I think that's going to have some movement. Polkadot I really like. Let's see, Cardano, Algorand, that gives you yield returns on Coinbase. In fact, if you click the link on my in the description, you'll get free crypto when you walk through the tutorials. I just had to kill a fruit fly. I don't know where that came from. We don't have warm enough weather. I'm doing great, Haza. How about yourself? Can you guys hear me okay? I don't normally use the live mic. I usually use a boom mic with my smartphone. So that's why there's a little bit of difference in the sound and the picture. But, you know, I figured, hey, I'm not going to lose out on the opportunity of getting into more Doge, especially before this weekend. And the fact that there's a very good possibility that Amazon will be allowing cryptocurrency for usage as far as purchasing items. Just think about it. For those of us, in the world that don't have access to financial institutions that you can buy cryptocurrency and or use your currency. Just think about it. They don't have access. If they all of a sudden have this cryptocurrency opening to Amazon, they're going to be able to make purchases with their cryptocurrency. Look at Mark Cuban with the Mavericks. You can buy tickets to a Mavericks game with Dogecoin. I mean, if that's not just the easiest thing to explain, you now are using it as a currency. So it has that utility. I mean, it started as a joke, you know, with the Shiba dog. And now it's just exploding. So, you know, put yourself in that 5%, even if it's like $50 or $100. If you're buying it at 33 cents, $50 is quite a few tokens at that level. And if you think about it, with Dogecoin, with the possibilities of it passing, you know, or growing faster than inflation hits you, it's a no-brainer. I know I pushed a lot of people saying, hey guys, Tesla stock is going to grow. That was last year, okay? Bitcoin made its big moves back then and showed its strength. Now Ethereum is showing its strength, and all those other tokens that are on that platform. When July hits and the gas prices are you know, decreased by the London fork, that's in July. So, I mean, what you do now is going to save you in the long run. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pose those in the chat. Also, remember, you can support the channel with super chats. I'll definitely shout out to everybody that puts in a super chat. That's a non-issue. And guys, remember, you can reach me on Twitter at EmbraceLifeTim. Any questions about, you know, starting a YouTube channel or getting invested in cryptocurrency, you know, where I'm at personally, what it's done for me in changing my life, speaks volumes. I literally sold a kayak over the weekend for Ethereum. And I posted a picture of my buddy sending me the Ethereum, and he came and picked it up on Sunday. And yeah, it's already gone up quite a bit since he gave it to me. So it is what it is, guys. If you have a little bit of cash at hand, it is a gamble, but it's just like going to the casino. You know, some people go to the casino with $60 and they're not going to spend more than that $60. If you've got that fortitude, then just try it. Once you see, you'll learn, and you'll see how different it is. Perfect example of utility and use of case and proof of stake. Cello is a cryptocurrency. It's rather cheap. It's around $5. It has mobile banking solutions. Deutsche Telekom just dropped a whole bunch of money into Cello. Pretty soon you're going to see cabs in the UK, about 10,000 I saw in one article, that are now going to be accepting cryptocurrency. It is what it is. It's a changing world, and we got to change with it. Don't be stubborn. Don't fall into the FUD, the fear, the uncertainty, and yeah, it's definitely worth investing in. And just remember, you know, anytime you use the word invest, change it with gamble, because even with the stock market, nothing's guaranteed. Even with gold and silver, nothing's guaranteed. You know, the old thought processes of abandoning the stock market for gold and silver or treasury bonds, that was the old. This is the new. This is extremely volatile. So if you can't take the 5% up and the 10% down, or the 10% up and the 10% down, or, you know, or I'm not sure if it was last month or 2 months ago, but it dropped from 50,000. Imagine if you had, I'll just use my case. If you had 13 Bitcoin and it was rated at 52,000 per token, and it dropped down to 47, you're losing a lot of money. But that's only if you jump out and your fear takes over and you get scared and you jump out of it. If you were to stick to it Now you're looking at, I think it's at 58,000 right now. So it recovered rather quickly. But yeah, if you don't have the stomach to handle 5% up, 5% down, I say fine. Stick to the stock market. You'll be fine. If you can, and even more so if you want to ladder in and ladder out, leveraging your cryptocurrencies on the ups and downs, selling at the top or near the top, which is almost impossible to hit the top. So, when it went to 3K, if you got out at 29 and then waited for it to go back down to 24 and then bought back in, you're still capturing your gains. I don't trade that way. I will convert my cryptocurrency rather than cash it out. And the reason being is I don't want to get hit with capital gains tax right away. I want to see my wallet improve its position on the Ethereum that I've already got invested and the Bitcoin that I've already got invested. So it is what it is, guys. That was my live trade for today. If you have any questions or want to know more, feel free to reach out to me. We still have the cryptocurrency workshop. If you have Facebook, reach out to me. I'm Timmy O'Neill on Facebook. I'm in Rochester, New York. And we initially started by jumping in with a very minimal investment. I think it was like $89. It was $89. It was 0.025 Ethereum. That was a very minimum to get into the crypto workshop. So we all joined at that level, spent $89. Okay. And then we watched it grow and grow and grow, and it's continuing to grow. And now that the world is starting to accept cryptocurrency, you're just going to see it explode even more. Welcome back, Haza. Oh, there we go. Dropped a sub. Awesome. Thank you for subscribing. Guys, remember, if you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and then put a comment in any of the videos that I've started since September, you can enter to win the giveaway. Once I reach 10,000 subscribers, I'm giving away $2,000. I've got another promotion that I'm going to be starting my live streams. For any Q&As where you guys can answer the questions correctly, I'll pick the first person with the right answer, and we'll get you, I'll zip you either a Cash App or a Venmo. Or if you can provide your wallet, obviously not that information on the live streams in the chats, because I don't want people just ransacking people's wallets. Say less, let me comment on another video real quick. You got it, Azza. Yeah, I was hoping British. Well, that's fine. I can send you some crypto to the UK. Your wallet's going to be your wallet. So you just go into your Ethereum wallet and copy that wallet address. And, if you get the right answer and I'm going to send you some crypto, I just need that. You can zip it to me on Twitter at EmbraceLifeTim. That's the beauty of this. You can transfer money anywhere in the world with cryptocurrency as long as they have a wallet and exchange. Perfect example. I have quite a few friends in Russia, Iran, UK, France, where they joined the workshop, the cryptocurrency workshop. They opened up their wallet. They used I'm not sure if it was Coinbase or Token Pocket initially, because there's restrictions. I'm in upstate New York. New York and Texas, we have a lot of issues so far blocking a lot of people from getting specific cryptocurrencies. But that doesn't mean you can't trade in it. Oh, I got people on the Discord. Awesome, guys. Hey, Scott. Hey, Colin. Ethan. Awesome. And you know what? I want to actually just real quick. A lot of these are guys, but I love the fact that women are getting involved in this now, because it's not for just one gender to take advantage of. To educate yourself on cryptocurrency, you're expanding your mind, you're opening yourself up to other currencies that are out there. And like I said, this is simultaneously running as our traditional finance and traditional banking institutions. You've got a whole other plethora of finance that you can do through crypto that you couldn't do through traditional banking. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. If you like this content, smash that like button, share this on social media. I have a Twitter account. I have an Instagram. I don't know that much about Doge, to be fair. Well, you know what? Look at it this way. You know, at the beginning of the year, it was as low as like 5 cents, 6 cents. And then all of a sudden it kicked up to 24 cents to 33 cents. And now it's up to 41 cents. So it's going up. And traditionally, people were seeing it as just a joke. You know, you got the Shiba dog, and that was basically made off of a meme. But now that there's companies like Newegg accepting cryptocurrency, specifically Doge, and then you've got, you know, Jeff Bezos was even talking about it. And we all know how Bezos feels about Mark Zuckerberg. But the rumor about Facebook last week, or actually earlier, yeah, I think it was last week, Facebook was potentially buying into cryptocurrency. Guys, if Amazon picks up cryptocurrency as a currency that they accept for goods and services, this is going to open itself up to 70 million people that had no access to this. So keep that in mind. Love and appreciate all of you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Good luck to whoever wins. I use Rafflecopter, so it's picked random. That's why I say you got to leave a comment and subscribe. If you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, smash that like button 2 times. I love and appreciate all of you guys. Bill, Haza, Chris, Scott, Ethan, Jen. Awesome. $50. That's perfect. I mean, literally, you don't have to invest a lot of money in this. Just dip your toes in and see it for yourself. I love and appreciate all of you guys. If you like any of the artwork, I have NFTs available on Webull, as well as OpenSea, and I'm actually going to start doing NFTify, which is a new NFT exchange to sell NFTs. So check them out. If you're interested, reach out to me at EmbraceLifeTim. I love and appreciate all of you guys. If you want access to any of the swag, the hoodies, the shirts, you know how to reach me at EmbraceLifeTim. And as always, guys, remember, it takes a village to improve your livelihood, and the rising tide lifts all ships. So hopefully my success will, you know, trickle up to you guys and build yourselves up. I love and appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and you guys have a great rest of your day and an even better week. Happy Motivational Monday.